Alright, so what you want to do is you go to Google Chrome and then you type, you click on the search bar and then you type chat GPT, right? Then you search, then this is the website https chatgpt.openai.com, right? So you first website, then now I am automatically logged in. So what you'll be asked to sign. So the sign up process is very easy. So you'll be asked to sign up. And once you sign up, then once you sign up, then you can start using the prompt. That's the software. So I can ask him like uh write me email copy to health and fitness coach, then um stating to offer to help with the sales of their coaching program program. Make the copy personalized. Make the copy personalized. Then you click on search. Now you can see the magic that this AI just did here. So this is the subject, your personalized path to a elder healthier you. So you want to change this subject. This is not the type of subject. That's why you see you can't always rely on this type of software, right? Although they have the this one is 3.5, they have the 4. That's 4. Chat GPT 4 is when you upgrade. That's when you sign up to their premium softwares. So dear coach name, I hope this email finds you in great spirits. My name is, you introduce yourself, and I've been an aware of your incredible work in the health and fitness space. Education to helping individuals transform their lives. Now, this first paragraph is as if you have already done your research about the health and fitness coach. Then, I've been enjoying to improve my overall health and fitness, and I couldn't help but withdraw your unique operations history shared with clients has inspired me. From what I've seen, your coaching program isn't just about exercise routines and meal plan experience that takes into account individual goals, challenges. Now you're talking about them now, not about you. That's exactly what I've been searching for, a program that's tailored to my specific needs and aspirations. As I reflect on my goals, I'm excited about the prospect of working with you to achieve them, whether it's shedding those last few stubborn pounds. Okay, okay. So you see the prompts I used. Oh, the prompt I used was, let me copy it again and reuse the prompt. I will edit the prompt, copy, then I'll start another. Fitness coach really sales of their coaching program. Then full stop. I am a sales conversion. I am a sales conversion operator. Let me put this one at the beginning, right? So I am a sales conversion copywriter. So this is something you can just do something like this. Could we schedule a brief call to dive deeper into the details? Your insight and vision are invaluable to us, and I can't wait to see the magic we can create together. right? I would love to discuss this opportunity further and explore how we can collaborate seamlessly to drive enrollment in your coaching program. And this is the kind of copy you want to send, right? So I've already thought one outreach strategy, that's the warm outreach. So you can use this type of copy. That's if you want to write for um health and fitness coaches, right? So as your sales conversion copywriter, so this is what you do. So I'm gonna pause the video now, upload it to the channel, and then